Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Now, Uvelepi decided to say she's going to blackmail Samge. Usamge thought ukuthi yonke information le ayiphethe uVelephi uyithathe uyithathe kumntwanakhe. Kanti nix information ivela government atshele lo girl where to get off uVelaphi. I think uVelaphi was stupid. She should have acted stupid and not shown her hand ukuthi information uyithola ku-government. But ke girl wanted to sound smart to Usamke, which then led to Usamke saying, let's see ukuthi who's going to be the queen in this house. But with that said, just a short off ramp, have you noticed how beautiful their home is without that Mbobo? Who that Mbobo was so there for so long? The Mbobo has been taken away. It shows ukuthi umfazi wamampela uthanda indlu enhle, and the house is super beautiful. Now moving on, Usibongile decided to quit the job as per the request from umuntu wakhe uKwenzo, also because people are talking, more especially the in-laws. Now having quit, this means ukuthi girl has burned bridges with her friend because the friend wants her to continue working. So now, will this create a problem for the friendship because this friendship clearly has expectations, or will the friendship still thrive despite the fact that Usibongile decided to call it quits at the new job? Now, uKwenzo decided to go and confront Ubabumdala, right? After sleeping at the ocean, Usibongile uthukiwe, uyamthola laphayana akazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. She is shocked. She thinks ukuthi maybe she's the problem. She's not even the problem. The problem ukuthi uKwenzo just found out ukuthi ubaba lo akusubaba wakhe. I really appreciated though uSibalukhulu for telling uKwenzo the truth, because it meant ukuthi he understood ukuthi uKwenzo cannot, like, this thing cannot be a secret for long. Now that the truth has been shared, the truth is out and everybody knows, bafuna ini ukuthi ayenzelwe imbeleko. Unfortunately, the elder son wakalo babumdala got in while they were still discussing that, and we all know that it's not going to sit well with him. But will imbeleko happen, and where will Ukwenzo stay? And we know that he's got his smallanyana place, but which place will he initially call home, considering that now he's got two dads, literally?